What is accreditation? Accreditation is a formal evaluation process that ensures an educational institution meets academic quality standards, such as those set by AACUP. For PUP Taguig, this process is essential for maintaining academic credibility and driving continuous improvement. The operational problem. The accreditation process is currently hindered by disorganized manual methods. Across the institution, admins, directors, coordinators, faculty, and internal accreditors all feel the weight of this unintegrated workflow. Stakeholders routinely struggle with fragmented Google Drive folders and critical instructions that get buried in Messenger group chats. This disjointed setup causes blind progress tracking, severe data redundancy, miscommunication, and massive challenges in verifying compliance status. Introducing AccrediTrack. To solve these inefficiencies, we introduce AccrediTrack. AccrediTrack is a centralized, web-based accreditation management system built to automate workflows, digitize records, and completely eliminate redundant manual tasks. Let's walk through how AccrediTrack seamlessly connects every step of this journey, from configuration to final rating. To create a new cycle, click Create Cycle on the right side of your screen. Step 1. Configure cycle. Enter your cycle name and set the start and end dates. Please note that the duration cannot exceed 6 years. Click Save Cycle to continue. Step 2. Select programs. Choose the programs you want to include in this cycle. You can select multiple programs. Then click Next. Step 3. Link programs to target level. Assign the target accreditation level for each selected program from the available instruments. The application type will be set automatically. Click Save and Next. Step 4. Configure cycle content. Set up your accreditor landing page by uploading 2 to 5 photos for the hero slideshow. Use the Assign Director button to configure the director's message, and use the Manage buttons to assign your internal and external accreditors. Click Save and Next. Step 5. Review summary. Carefully verify all program selections, target levels, and content configurations. Click Next. Step 6. Activation. Choose Activate Cycle to start immediately, or Save as Planning to finalize the setup later. To manage an existing cycle, select it from the left-hand list and click Manage. You can choose Close Cycle to end the process, or revert to planning if you need to make further modifications. To permanently remove a cycle, select it from the list and click the Delete button. When the confirmation prompt appears, type the exact cycle name and press Enter. Inside the Space Info, you can easily manage and delegate individual benchmarks. To assign a task, navigate to your target requirement row and click the Edit icon under the Assign column. Select a team member from the drop-down menu to instantly delegate the responsibility. Next, to set a deadline, click the calendar icon under the Due Date column for that row. Choose your target date from the calendar picker and click Confirm on the pop-up modal to save it. If you ever need to modify an assignment, click the Edit icon on the user's initials again to quickly update or remove them from the task. The Document Upload module, your starting point for submitting compliance files. To begin, navigate to the Document Upload module in the sidebar. Add your files by dragging and dropping them directly into the designated area, or simply click Browse to select files from your local storage. Once your files are added, you can choose how to file them. For automated assistance, click Sort with AI to let the system suggest the most relevant space, parameter, phase, and benchmark for your documents. Review the AI highlighted suggestions, each labeled with a clear confidence percentage, and confirm your selections as you progress. If you prefer to handle the placement yourself, select Choose Manually instead. You will then be prompted to choose the target accreditation space from your available folders, navigating through the hierarchy to locate the exact task where your files belong. Once you have identified the destination, verify your files and click the Upload button to commit them. After finalizing your placement, whether via AI or manual selection, verify all details on the final review summary and click Accept. You will receive an upload receipt confirming your documents are successfully processed, mapped, and visible within your workspace. Open the Compile Document stage to transform your scattered files into a structured submission. Instead of leaving individual evidence files scattered, faculty members can navigate directly to the Backlogs tab within the workspace to view their uploaded files. From this grid layout, select the necessary files you want to combine by checking the individual checkboxes. As you make your selection, a top action bar appears to track your files. Once ready, simply click the Compile button, located right next to the Move option. The system then seamlessly merges and organizes these documents using a standardized program template. Your newly compiled artifact will automatically move to the Compiled tab, beautifully structured and ready for review. Once your compilation and self-survey ratings are fully finalized, moving your document to the next stage takes just one click. Navigate to your compiled artifact workspace, where you will find the Submit to Coordinator button has now become active. Simply click this button to officially send your compiled files and survey results over to your coordinator for formal review. The system will instantly confirm the status change, ensuring your contribution is locked in and ready for evaluation. Navigate to Space Info. Select your specific workspace and click the For Review tab to locate pending tasks. Evaluate artifacts individually to approve or reject, or use the Bulk Approve feature to process multiple files at once. Approved tasks automatically advance to the admin and director review stage, moving forward to the internal accreditor upon final approval. To begin evaluating, select a program from the Programs under Survey list. Choose the program you want to evaluate. Then, select a specific area that you want to review. Once inside the evaluation page, review the available benchmarks and select a benchmark that has not yet been evaluated. Open and scan the submitted documents and supporting evidence. Carefully review the content before assigning a rating. If needed, you may leave comments or feedback to document observations, recommendations, or findings. To evaluate the benchmark, use the STAR rating system. If you need guidance for scoring, click the question mark button to open the rating criteria guide. Continue reviewing and evaluating benchmarks until all required benchmarks for the selected area have been completed. While your evaluation is still in progress, you may continue updating your ratings and editing your comments at any time. Changes remain editable until you click Save Evaluation. Once all benchmarks have been evaluated, click Save Evaluation. After saving, your evaluation will be finalized and ratings and comments will no longer be editable. You may then download the evaluation summary for your records and documentation. The completed internal evaluation will proceed to the coordinator, admin, or director for approval. Once approved, the evaluation status will move forward and become external ready, allowing the submission to proceed to the external accreditor stage.